Snapchat my eyes only not loading are the working problem. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix the Snapchat my eyes only not loading or working problem. So if you are experiencing issue with the Snapchat my eyes only feature not loading or working, there are several things you can try to fix that issue. So first of all, you will have to be a stable network connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection, as this is common reason for my eyes only section not loading or the Snapchat. Also guys, you can update the app and check if there is any pending updates. You will have to go to your Play Store and you will have to check for your Snapchat update. So you can see that my Snapchat is already updated. If you don't have, you can update from there. So also guys, you can reinstall the app, because reinstalling the app can also fix many issues. So you can uninstall the app, and if the issue persists, consider reinstalling the Snapchat. Reinstalling the app can sometimes fix loading issues with my eyes only section. So guys, if none of those solutions resolve the problem, consider reaching out to your Snapchat support for further assistance. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.